How to make money on YouTube without making videos. There are times when you open YouTube, you see videos with abnormal views. I mean super high views. And you wonder how these YouTubers made such videos. A question: how can I make such a video? Answer: in this YouTube tutorial, we are to see how to re-upload such content legally, without getting a copyright strike. Stay on until the end and learn the skills. Let us take the example of this video. These are the events that will happen before 2050. As you can see, this video has over 22 million views. You know YouTube pays between $1 and $20 per 1,000 views. So choosing the lowest $3, 22 million divided by 1,000, gives 22,000. 22,000 multiplied by $3 gives $66,000 just from one video. However, this video can be paid even $15 per 1,000 views. So make your math. Subscribe, like and share for more notifications. This is part 1 of the tutorial. Check in the description for part 2. Note: all sites I'm going to be using have free and paid options, so I recommend you to use the free option for the start. To re-upload such a video, number 1, copy the URL of the video, and paste it in y2mate.com. Y2mate allows you to convert download video from YouTube, Facebook, video directly. Paste the link of the video you want to convert. Click the start button to begin converting process. Select the MP3 format, not the video, then click the download button. Wait for a few seconds for the download to complete. Number 2. Move to this speech-to-text online solution to convert voice to text for free. Choose the file to upload the audio file, then convert by clicking Convert. After completing the upload of the file, here you don't need to sign up, just free without logins. Once you convert the audio to text, copy the text and paste it into Grammarly.com for corrections of grammar. Sign up into Grammarly.com using your Gmail account or Facebook, etc. Edit the text by deleting all text related to the YouTuber's channel and his promotions. As you can see, so after editing and correcting the grammar, can see. So after editing and correcting the grammar, copy the text and paste it into spinbot.com. For rewriting this text, so spin it twice or once or more. Or more. Copy and paste the text back to Grammarly.com. So at this time, this is the text of your video but with different writing. So add all sort of text related to your channel and promotions. So you can make a voice recording of what you like. For those who can't make a voice recording, this is for you. Text-to-speech free, text-to-speech free, text-to-speech online free. Convert a text to voice with natural sounding voices. Free MP3 download. So sign up as a member for free. Up to 2000 Chars per convert. Unlimited converts. 200 plus voices, 50 plus languages. Dedicated support, all for free. Note: when signing up, the username must have at least a capital letter and a number. Example: capital L and number, I mean 1, 2, 3, etc. After successful registration, a message will be sent having a verification code to your email. Activate it by clicking on the link sent in your email. Customize your speech with pitch and voice speed controls. Make your speech faster or slower. Take control of voice volume. Select language voice. Select the language and the reader you need to convert text to MP3. Adjust volume, voice speed, your way. Convert, download MP3. The text-to-speech conversion process is very quick. The result will be MP3 format. You can start downloading for your work. Note: copy and paste bit by bit, not exceeding 2000 characters per convert.
Unexpected events can by and large change what we thought would happen anyway. We're permitted to make our best educated derivations with the infers that are available to us with that done as a principal need. Here are the events that will without a doubt happen before the year for you to expect happening starting essentially 1 year from now. Two new countries that may emerge in the design of New Caledonia and Bougainville. As they hold opportunity entries from France and Papua New Guinea separately, the FIFA World Cup will be held in Russia and NASA will send the James Webb Space Telescope, which will be generally more
So after converting the text to speech, we need the video clips. Google search Pixabay. Pixabay.com. Stunning free stock videos and footage clips. Thousands of free stock video clips and footages. Browse and download from Pixabay.com stock videos for free. Search for all video clips you need, all for free. Example video clips about the future, etc. Pixabay license free for commercial use, no attribution required. Then now we have the audio and the video clips. Google Shotcut. Shotcut is a free, open source, cross-platform video editor. Click to download. Download and install. So begin the video editor.